everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use Zoho Campaigns to send professional email campaigns. So go to campaigns.zoho.in and sign into your Zoho account. Now click on create campaign and choose your campaign type like regular email or automated series. Then here you have to give your campaign name and then click on save and proceed. Now here add subject, add sender details and add recipients, and then click on create content button. After that, here you will see two options, pre-designed templates or basic templates. Choose the one you want and click on it. Choose the template you want to work on it and just click on select template. In the left hand panel, here you are able to add elements. There are so many options available. You can add text, image and text, buttons and so on. So once you are done with it, click on preview and test, and if you find everything's perfect, then go and click on proceed. And that's it, you have successfully created and sent your email campaign using Zoho Campaigns. So after that, you just have to go and send it. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.